Alright guys, this is the return of the 1000 Next Club because I'm going to put out to you some of the memes that I reckon should quite easily hit that 1000x. So guys, if you find that interesting, always drop me a like, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications in order for you to be updated with all of my videos, including these type of updates, so you can get in quite early. And on top of that, if you also haven't done so already, head over towards my YouTube, because if you subscribe to our membership right over here, because you could inform me which coins are you looking to get into, or which coins are you currently looking to trade, and then I will be able to design a educational video to show you on the coins that you're after, on how to trade them, when to trade it, to help you to maximize your gains. And for this membership, it costs less than $5 per month. But for that $5 per month, it could either save you hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars for the price of just $5 a month. So guys, check it out, see for yourself, try for 1 month and see what you think. Anyway, so from today, I'm going to be posting more videos on my membership, and that way you can see the structure of the charts, and then eventually you'll be able to learn from my membership on how to, or when to get in and then when to get out of a trade, unless if you're in it for the long haul. But anyway guys, before we start the show, I think it's time for strap onto our boots, put on your rocket helmet, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to kick off the show with Pickle, because Pickle has finally broken down from this level. And I said in my last video, if you do break down from this level, then I'll be looking for more entries right from down here, because this area here for me is what I've been waiting for. Because if you look objectively from a larger time frame, what we can see is that's resistance. Then support should be back down here, but I reckon we're going to be bouncing between this level, the resistance, and down here as the support. So the minute that we break into this level, which we have done already, then I'll be looking to add a lot more to my bags. But because I've added quite a bit in this range over here, I'm just waiting for it to pull back even more potentially before I add a lot more to my bags. That's what I'm talking about when it comes down to holding for the long term. It's all about DCAUA in as the prices goes down, and never be fearful, because eventually I'm going to be greedy for when we see this crazy run to the upside. So for this temporary short swings, 50, 60, 40% move up and down, I don't care too much about that, because overall, if we look at it from a holding perspective, we'll always be looking for more than 15, 20, 30x gains. Otherwise, we're going to have a very unsuccessful time during the bull season if we don't have the nerve of steel and to think long term. But anyway, that's enough rant about that. I reckon with Pickle, because price is dropping even much more further, it gives me the stronger confidence that we should be able to see that 1000x in the future. Reason why? Because let's take a look at the market cap. The market cap is just above 1 million. So in order for us to get to that 100x, the market cap would only need to get to 100 million. And then 1000x, we just need to get to 1 billion, and that's our 1000x. Pickle will be certainly one of those memes that would most certainly will be able to hit 1000x and above. Obviously, I'm not holding any crystal ball here, but it's looking more likely because 1, it is a strong meme, 2, it's got a strong social presence, and 3, it is still a popular option for the meme coin within the Solana network that I would consider to be one of those safe bets. But anyway, let's move on to the next coin, and that is going to be Peng. Peng is still going to do it exceedingly well during the bull season, and it's got a strong community base. It's well recognized. People love Peng. It's got a great social presence, quality websites, and the project is pretty decent all in all. I would also consider Peng to be one of these meme coins that can also be almost like a rug proof. The best bet is, if we're getting now, we're getting it at a huge discounted price, because let's take a look at the overall of the chart. We've been going sideways for the longest, we dipped a little bit lower, so these are the stuff of dreams where we should be picking up a lot more now, because ultimately, once we do see that run to the upside, Guys, look at that. That's an easy 21 or 22x from the current price. Now, if we flip the chart into the market cap, what we can see, we're going as higher up as $207 million, which again gives me all the confidence that we can quite easily get into the billions. So what would it take for us to get to 100x from here? So in order for us to get to that 100x from here, the market cap we need to get to $1.2 billion, whereas a 1000x from here, it will put the market cap at $12 billion. And I reckon it's quite achievable. I reckon it's quite doable for Peng, because once the bull season really kicks in, these type of memes could potentially go all the way up to 12, maybe 13, 14 billion during the bull season. We may even see an even bigger correction straight after the bull season. But guys, who knows? So who knows? I'm just sharing with you projects that I reckon that can quite easily hit that 1000x. And so far, Pickle and Peng, they are certainly one of them. So let's move on to the next one, and that is gonna be Success Kid. I know we've talked a lot about Success Kid, but guys, I still reckon that Success Kid is most certainly one of those premium meme coins out there, because even whilst BTC and the market has been crushing, Success Kid hasn't been crushing that crazily, which is good, which means it's quite robust and very resilient. 2, the market cap is still extremely low, and 3, to see a 1000x from me here, the market cap would only need to get to $1.2 billion market cap, which is more than doable, especially for these memes, because we don't need to see like 10 billion, 15 billion in order for us to get that 1000x. For Success Kid, we just need to see roughly around about 2.1, 2.6 billion dollars, then that's our 1000x. Then you can take the large portion of your profits or everything out from that point. And the greatest thing about this, you don't even have to invest too much to see that 1000x crazy returns. So that means you would only need to invest roughly around about $100, or even a little less if you're not so optimistic in terms of how hard we can reach. But if that is your comfortable level of money that you don't mind losing and you can look away until we see those crazy gains, then yes, you can do that with this strategy. We can put a smaller amount into Success Kid whilst you be focusing on the main portfolio. End of the day, guys, it's always worth to add more eggs into our basket, because you could see some crazier gains from those coins that you never expected to see that 1000x gains. That's why it's always nice to spread your portfolio, but don't over spread, just enough so you can keep an eye on everything. Otherwise it gets a little bit difficult for you to keep an eye on the rest of your coins that you invested in. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you haven't done so, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be updated with all of my latest content and videos. And if you'd like to get some educational videos, subscribe to my membership right over here. Plus, you get to tell me what coins you'd like me to do an educational video on. Otherwise, if you'd like to participate in pre-sales, you can check out this video here. And finally, if you'd like to pick up some free airdrops, you may like to check out this video right over here, which is pinned in my top comment, or check out this video here on how you could potentially make $1,000 per week in airdrops via the points. And I'll see you all in the next one.